My name is Achom Mercy Christine and I'm 20 years old from Pallisa district. I obtained my certificate in hairdressing at Ray Vocational Training Institute in Soroti district after my ordinary level. The meaning of my name Achom, Ibo ikiningo kedi polok imo kolya nu kolo Iteso. Ebakasi bonebe ekiroringon Achom. It originated from a certain old lady of long ago who loved to stay with gorillas in every activity she was doing. She really loved to stay with gorillas, and gorillas were her day-to-day life. She stayed with them and she felt peace, very comfortable with them. And you know, as the nature of people is, whatever you like to do, they'll always nickname you after it. So for this lady, she even preferred people to call her Achom, that is after the female gorilla. The male gorilla is called Achom. The female gorilla is called Achom. So this old lady was named after the female gorillas, which is called Achom. Now, this made this old woman to continue and continue. Other children were named after her up to me now. I am proudly and I have a very unique name, which is Achom, obtained from a very unique animal which is found in mountainous areas and in forests. People leave their usual places and move to tourist sites, tourist game parks, the zoos, mountains, just to see the unique animal, Achom. And the female animal is called Achom. I am proud to be called Achom. My clan is got from the 5 distinctive clans of the Iteso tribe. We have the Ikaribok, we have the Inom, Irarak, Itekok and Isureta. And me, as Achom, I belong to Itetok, which is also further divided into smaller groups. So me, I belong to Itekok Iyalei, and of which this word Iyalei means Amoru. Amoru arai atida. We all know how Amoru works. Arai atida. How very important and unique it was during those days. Amoru was used aireya imare. Aireya imare ni poere emagira. Arai bonat edek. Iriere alos. Emuoge dauna iruku kekisu. Itosomao Amoru. Ai dicharanges ejok. Narai kolama mete. Achoma na nokwa nitosomayoni. Akespolo, that makes my clan very unique. And also, all of us know that the places near the rocks are very fertile, which support the growth of a cash crop, mainly grown in Pallisa district is rice. And other crops like potatoes, cassava, and others. This is my clan is so special in that particular way. Amoru ichetu nitosoma Iteso yake sekeje. Achuya igwen. Amoru has very many different things that we can. Even you can use it for defense. You use it for protection. And now it empowers me in that the soils, the fertile soils that are there, they help us to grow trees, grow grass that our animals eat. Since iso Itekok Iyalei, iraiso pastoralists, amejak. Iraiso amejak, idoda, esomana rakeda Amoru. Ingarakito sa Amoru, ai biribiri, itiange ngunu meja isho. Kedabodo ikitoda nepolative out of the fertile soils that we have near our rocks. We have very many tourist attraction sites very many tourist attraction sites in Pallisa districts. We have the quarry in Okaracha, that is in Okombe. It helped in the construction of the road Kome Pallisa and then Pallisa to Kamonkoli. It helped in that construction and also other places that are in the middle of town and outside, probably. And then we have Lake Opeta. Lake Opeta in Obutet, that is in Gogonyo sub-county. It has very nice fish. We have million fish, we have silver fish, we have mud fish, a collet, a bileng, a mena, a rasi nyamatani, tigogongete ao kawat. Idoda orasi nyamatani jijiminoi, idumakini jo Obutet. Lake Opeta in Gogonyo sub-county. And then we have Moru Oikiruket, which is in Akipani village in Kibale sub-county. Oikiruket is so special in that ebakasi polokonwa kolobonebe. Kelo toto kesi omorungon Oikiruket. Especially during the dry season, they go there. By the time they come back, that is so special. You need to visit Oikiruket Rock in Pallisa district in Akipany, that is in Kibale sub-county. With all this, I deserve the crown because I am intelligent, I am beautiful, I am brave, and I am confident and so determined and passionate about trees, about the life of trees, about the next generation, how we are going to manage to sustain the vegetation for the next generation to come. They need this. How will the child know that there was a gorilla called Achom? How will a child know that there are very many species of trees in Uganda, in Ateso land? We are very rich. And with that, according to the theme, I am ready and determined to work hand in hand with my superiors in everything to see that we stand to work in agriculture, especially afforestation in deforested areas. We are going to work hand in hand when I will be put there soon. And by this, I say, Emuria koliai, aminange sikerika Ateso, ajasi kidarite